Hey guys, do you have a microwave door that doesn't seem to close? Let me show you how to fix it. We're gonna take a little butter knife and we're just gonna pop it right in between here and here. We're just gonna start popping this off. And it's all the way through. It just pops out. Now what you're gonna find is your spring inside of here has come off. It either came all the way off, or if you get in here and look really close, you can see that center part's just broke right off where the hook was hooked to. Okay, so let me show you a little fix that I came up with. This is it. All right, this is it. You can see that little hole that I've put in. It's just a zip tie, okay? A zip tie about the size of what we need. Okay, and the way this is gonna work. Okay, that's gonna sit in there just like this. This is gonna sit in here just like this. And this end is gonna go in one of the holes on the side to stay out of the way so that it goes up and down. Okay. Okay, so I've measured this. I see a little hole right here on the side. Okay, there's a little hole right there on the side. I'm going to come through this side right here. All right, so now I've got it hooked inside of there. Now I hook it on that right there. Okay, and then I put it back in its tracks. And there you go. Oops. Pop that out. And there you go. It's got a spring. And it closes it. Snap this back on. And voila, your microwave is done. Now if Dan can, you can too.